Our mission, should we wish to accept it, is to take that transformer on that trailer down there and position it under this lift system, and then using that spinning plate turn it through 90 degrees, and then using skill, determination and a bit of skullduggery, spin it through 90, reset the lift system and track that 157 tonne lump into that bunded area over there. By fair means or foul, we certainly hope to achieve it. We shall keep you posted. Greetings once more from sunny Tealing, where our local time is 10 to 4, and we're just powering up the lift system in readiness for backing a transformer underneath. The hope is that we will be able to lift it and at least get it off the trailer this evening and then down onto the spinning plate, and then de-rig everything probably tomorrow morning, and then start to travel in towards the bund. We'll be back with you after these messages. 25 to 10 local time, and we've just part turned the transformer. We're now using the truck to bring it round in line with the centre line of the trafo plinth. $160 tonnes, as easy as that. And with safety glasses on. That right there, Mick. But we're now clear of the plate and just setting up for travelling forward another 10 metres, which will then be sufficient to give enough room to take these sections of track out, which will then allow the delivery vehicle to depart site finally. We're now just travelling the transformer in towards the plinth area behind me. Here we are at Tealing substation with our 157 tonnes transformer once more. As you can see, we've now travelled into the limit of the track there. We've then constructed a steel landing area and transferred the front of the transformer onto our aluminium dodlers. We've then released the front lifting points. The back remains attached. We will then travel the back set of jacks in slowly, and the front will roll in slowly, we hope, on the dodlers until we can then transfer the weight onto these purpose-built skidding tracks, and more dodlers where we will continue to roll into place. That's the plan. Since we last filmed, we've now transferred the front two sets of jacks inside into the bund, and we've now picked the transformer up once more for final travelling, and the local time is 6:15 in sunny Tealing. And now, so it's not all, well, we'll look over there and we've got a full moon. Oh! And a few rabid crane drivers. Right, we're now going to just travel it in for the night, a few feet, spread the weight on that track on the bund floor, and then that'll be us. Local time 9:30 in the morning, and we've now just transferred the load from the rear set of jacks, which is now loose, onto the front set of jacks and the rollers. I'm doing the commentary, and the boys are hard at work in the bright Scottish sunshine, pumping away, pulling 160 tonnes in for all they're worth. And as you can see, it's actually moving. We've just got to come this short distance along the lift system track, and then we'll roll the jacks back to the end of the track and pick up the rear lifting beams. Come on, it's supposed to look like a video, not a still picture. Is that a finger I saw in the air? The latest update from Tealing TV is that we're now into the bund. Local time here is about 11:30, and we've now de-rigged the turntable and some of the stuff outside of here, which is why it hasn't made as much progress it has done, but we're clearing up as we go. We've now transferred the load from the front lifting eyes to the rear, as you can see, and we are transferring rollers to the front and progressing in with just about 3 metres to go. And there we see that great name in heavy lifting and heavy shifting. Oh, marvellous. Here we are, it's about I don't know o'clock local time, but we've now got the chaffo suspended. We've got the AVM finally in, which is humongous lumps of rubber running the full length of this chaffo. It's now 4:30. We spent quite a bit of time getting everything on the centre line, but we've managed to achieve that, but that isn't the centre line, so don't believe me about that one. And we're about to lower down on these jacks at the front and the power tower rams at the rear, and then that will be it. And then we'll all be gainfully employed, all these lovely chaps, in reloading all this junk onto our trailers and going home. Tealing TV here. Local time now is 7 o'clock. The last piece of kit is just being loaded onto the vehicle. And you won't see it, but there you go. The silhouette of the nasty 157 tonne trafo. Finally in place. So, good night, viewers from